Good day, everyone. I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel, Sonia Space. So, subscribe and keep watching. Hello, everyone. As you know, this is October and the weather is changing. We are actually getting into the fall season, and it's almost time to put the summer clothes away and then introduce the clothes for the fall season. And I know every parent, as they are already thinking of shopping for new clothes for their kids. What we do as parents is we bring out their old fall clothes, and then we see those ones that they can still use, and then we now look at those things that we need to buy to add to those ones, because the children, they are constantly growing. What they used last year, or even what they use for the spring, before you know it, it's not their size anymore. So we are constantly shopping for the children because the weather is always changing. And here, as a mom, I love shopping. So what I have done is to make some orders online for these children. I have 3 kids. I have my eldest daughter is 6 years old, my second son is 4 years old, and my baby is 2 years old. So what I do is I order some stuffs for them, and then I also go to the store and then I add to it, just to make sure that they have enough clothes for the weather we are about to get into. From the fall, we enter the winter properly, so we need to get them ready for the cold season. And I have done just that. I have made some orders for them and the orders have arrived. So I want to show you some of the little things I got for them. So let's get straight into the video. So I got this from Temu. They have a lot of stuffs for kids, so I decided to try it out and see if they are of good quality and see if they are of good sizes for my children. So let's open this and see what we got. I have to be very careful so as not to, cut the clothes, because you see it's very close to it. I have to be very, very careful with the scissors so as not to cut the clothes inside. So this is from Temu. I got from Temu. I got from shein. So we are checking out the Temu stuff first. Okay. This is the first thing I'm going to be checking as I pick. I show you what I got. So obviously this is for my daughter, 6 years old, size 140. I don't know if it's too small for her because my daughter is very big, but I don't know. My daughter is very big. The fur quality is this is it, the quality. It's a good, it's nice, it's soft, yeah. So this is, I got this from, Temu, for my daughter. So we'll put this aside. Another one, yeah. What do we have here? Wow. This is for my baby, my 2 years old baby. It's not so thick. It's not so thick, so for early winter, for the fall, maybe it will be okay for us. Yeah. So this is for my two my 2 years old. I actually thought it would be thicker than this, but we made do with it. Okay, what do we have here? I think my baby is crying. He came back from school and is trying to sleep. I put him to bed to sleep. So he stopped. So I continue. So I got this also from Temu. Yeah. It's my daughter, before she falls asleep, I like to put it on for her, you know, like some stars, you know, helps her to sleep. Helps her to sleep early. So I got this from Temu. And yeah, these bags, I got them also because you know, the weather is changing and we need to put away the summer clothes. So I needed some bag to put the clothes, the children's clothes, and store, keep them for the next summer. And then fortunately I found this at Temu. You know, it's quite big, so you should be able to take the summer clothes of one child. So I got 3 of these. This is the quality, this is the material. Yeah. Yeah. That aside. And I got this these socks with what do they call this now? With this let me say sticker, no, for my boy when he goes to school, because you know when he's playing in school they wear socks in the school so that he won't, anti-slip socks actually, so he won't slip off and fall. So I got him this. Yeah. Wow, this is very good for winter. It's very thick. Yeah, I like this. This is for my daughter and it's big. Yes, that's what I want. Yeah, it's very big. The material is very good. Yeah, I'm excited about this for my daughter. Yeah, it's very good for her to go to school with. Yeah. And then what do we have here? Oh, this is jacquard. Is it big enough? Oh my god, I don't know. The jacquard, they are, let me come closer. The jacquard, they are surprising me. I haven't gotten jacquard from Temu before. And the sizes, my kids are very big. Normally this will go well for a 4-year-old, but I don't know. My boy is so big, even my daughter. So, but as for the quality, it's very thick, but just the size issue. It can use this now, but normally as parents when we buy things, we like to buy not too big but a bit bigger than the child, so that he can use it. He can continue to use it. So maybe after this winter we are hoping, I like for him to start another winter with it. Then maybe before the end of the winter I cannot buy him another one, because the kids are growing. But this, hopefully it. So what do we have next? What do we have next here? Oh, this is for me. Wow. This is for me for winter. Oh, I like it. It's nice, but I just hope the material doesn't fray after washing. Right now, it's good. I just hope it doesn't fray after washing. What else do we have? More of those bags, those storage bags, and more of those socks for my anti-slip socks. And what do we have here? And this is for my son for the 4 year. This cloth for my son is reasonably okay, but to me it's too light. It's not thick enough. It's not thick enough, but we can use this for early winter, and then that's it. Hopefully by spring next year it will still be in size, otherwise that'll be it. More of those storage bags, because I got one for each child to store up their summer clothes. And that is it for my Temu order. That is what I got there. I just got this because I'm not so sure of them, so I just said let me try, and this is what I got. Some were okay, but some were not to my expectation, but then we make do with what we have. And then shein, what I got from shein, I didn't get much, just some few stuffs that I got there. Yeah. For the kids. And now this is the first item from shein. Wow, this is so soft. This is for me. This is for me for the fall, before the winter, something I can use to drop the children off at school in the morning, something to just rush off with on top of my t-shirt or something. So I got this for myself from shein, and I'm pleased with it. Yeah, this is for my baby. I like it. This is for my baby. And these are good. Yeah, so nice. Oh my God. I got these 3 pairs of pants for my boy. Quality wise, reasonably okay. So these 3 pants I got them from shein for my 4-year-old boy. It's a big boy, so don't think it's too big. Okay, and now this is jacket. This is winter jacket. So my daughter, it's this. Oh, this so soft. This is the inside of it. So this is warm for my daughter. Got this for her. Seems like a boy's jacket, but it's okay. She has other jackets. I just wanted to get her a black jacket. And that is it for shein. These are some of the things I got for my kids, you know, just because the weather is changing. They go to school every day and they need these stuffs to go to school. You know, we have to just, I love doing this, shopping for my kids, you know. Yeah. And then my daughter, when we go out, she got into the habit of, maybe when she's with a phone, she increased the volume so loud, and I think it's not convenient, disturbing. I think it's disturbing her. That's why I got her this headpiece, but she got it broken. And then we need to get another one. So I started to check it up on Amazon, and I found this beautiful headpiece for kids. Like this, it's not for kids. I think this is specially made for kids. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, it has. This is the charger. It came with the charger, and then this is it, well packed. Wow, it has a pouch, and this is it. So beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow. Let's see. Wow. And I think when you charge it, this place lights up with a blinky light. Yeah, so this is so good. Hopefully she doesn't get this broken. I'm happy about this headpiece. Since she likes to use headpiece, why not if not? So the last on the list is this pair of shoes I got for myself on Amazon. Remember, mom self-care. So I got these pairs of shoes at Amazon. I think it was on discount, 40% off. I saw it 40% off, so I decided to get one for myself. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and till we meet again next time. Bye bye.